section formula. Here section formula, the point which divide the line segment in the ratio is given. Then find the coordinates of point. Here AB is a line segment. A x1 y1, B is x2 y2. A x1 y1, B x2 y2 coordinates. Somewhere P is a point. The point P coordinates x comma y. The point P which divide the line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2. Now find the coordinates of point P. That we have formula, that is called section formula. Px comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is called section formula. Here the ratio is m1 is to m2. First suppose this ratio is equal. The point is exact middle of the line segment. Means the point is midpoint of the line segment. So first suppose here m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 1, 2 is to 2, 3 is to 3. Means that is exactly midpoint. So now midpoint formula. Midpoint of the coordinates. Midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is called midpoint formula. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. Here also 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. But x1 y1 x2 y2 is same. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 is the midpoint formula. Now trisectional points are points of trisection. Means here one line segment A and B. AB is a line segment. The line segment divide into 3 equal parts. The line segment divide into 3 equal parts. First suppose if we keep here P, second point is Q. Here P comma Q, which divide the line segment AB into 3 equal parts, like AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. The 3 parts, 3 equal parts. So now here once observe, this is one part, here 2 parts. So it is divide the line segment. The point P which divide the line segment in the ratio 1 is to 2. Like Q divides AB internally in the ratio before 2 parts, after 1 part. 2 is to 1. Here 1 is to 2. P divides in the ratio, Q divides in the ratio 2 is to 1. These 2 points P comma Q be the points of trisection. Similarly, we have to here AB is a line segment. In this line segment divide into 4 equal parts. We need P, Q and R. 4 equal parts. The line segment divided by 4 equal parts. The P, Q, R. Now P divides in the ratio 1 is to 3. 1 part, 3 parts. R is divides in the ratio 3 is to 1. Now Q is exact middle. It is divided in the ratio 2 is to 2. 2 is to 2 means exact midpoint. Q is the midpoint of AB. Okay, this is points of trisection, trisectional points. Here, this is one of the example. With the help of section formula, we can find P. We don't know the coordinates. The point which divide the line segment AB in the ratio 2 is to 3 internally. Then find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of the point P which divide the line segment joined by the points in the ratio 2 is to 3 internally. So now section formula write. Px comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Here the ratio is m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 3. And other 2 points, one is x1 y1, other one is x2 y2. Now px comma y, m1 x2 is 8, m2 means 3, x1 is 3 by 2 plus 3, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m plus n. Now 2 8s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 2 plus 3 value 5, 2 10s are 20, 3 5s are 15, 2 plus 3 value 5. Now 16 plus 9, 25 by 5. Here this is 35 by 5. Now cancellation, 5 5s are, 5 7s are. This is the required coordinates of the point. So find the coordinates of midpoint of line segment AB. A is given, B is given. Now find the coordinates of B. Midpoint. We have formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is section formula. Through section formula we are finding midpoint, no? That we can apply here. That is 2 plus 12 by 2. 7 plus minus 7 by 2. Here 2 plus 12 is 14 by 2. 7 minus 7 is 0 by 2. Here 2 7s are 0. This is the midpoint of line segment. Here find points of trisection of line segment AB. Here A is given, B is given, we don't know P and Q. Let P comma Q be the points of trisection. AB, that is AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. After that, P divides in the ratio 1 is to 2, Q divides in the ratio 2 is to 1. Now let P divides AB internally in the ratio 1 is to 2. P divides AB internally in the ratio 1 is to 2. So now we can find 1 is to 2 with the help of 1 is to 2 Px comma y. That is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Next m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is section formula. Okay, now here m1 is 1. Here you can take x1 y1, it is x2 y2. x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now m1 is to m2. 1 into minus 4 plus 2 into 2 by m1 plus m2 is 1 plus 2. Next 1 into 8 plus 2 into 6 by 1 plus 2. This is minus 4 plus 4 by 3. 8 plus 2 6 are 12 by 3. Now it is 0 by 3. It is 20 by 3. 0 by 3 we know that 0 comma 20 by 3. This is the point P, x comma y. Similarly, we can find the point Q also. Now we can find point Q. The point Q of x comma y means Q divides AB internally in the ratio. That is 2 is to 1. We can take 2 is to 1 ratio. Now Qx comma y. Same formula we can apply. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Next m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is section formula. Here m1 is to m2. m1 is 2. 2 into minus 4. 1 into 2 by 2 plus 1. Next 2 into 8 plus 1 into 6 by 2 plus 1. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. 2 8s are 16 plus 6 by 3. Minus 6 by 3. Here 22 by 3. 3 2s are 6. 22 by 3. This is Qx comma y. Finally, P and Q. Here P comma Q are points of trisection. Therefore, the required coordinates of the points of trisection P. What is the P? 0 comma 20 by 3 and Q minus 2 comma 22 by 3. These 2 points are points of trisection.